Hello guys, welcome back to another video. We are back here once again at Alloy Refresh, where the wheels and brake calipers were refurbished on my BMW 1 Series here behind me. Today though, we are back to get the wheels on my BMW 760 Ally refurbished. Now this video is not going to be a how-to video. I'm not going to be taking you through the processes. You may have seen that once or twice before, but I'm going to show you what they look like before, and I'll show you what they look like after. They are in a pretty bad state, so I think it is going to be a very nice transformation for these wheels. But yeah, guys, I will never come anywhere else. I will always travel to come back to Alloy Refresh. You guys know the care and detail that they put into their wheels, so yeah, I will not use anywhere else now. But yeah, let's take a look inside and let's see what they've been up to, and let's see what the BMW 7 Series wheels look like. Okay, so these are the 20-inch alloy wheels from the BMW 760 Ally. This is one of the fronts. As you can see, pretty badly corroded. Paint is peeling off, and yeah, they just look a bit sorry for themselves. A lot of curb rash on this one, and pretty much a similar story, although the rears, they are even worse when it comes to corrosion. And as you can see, they have some budget tyres on as well. I do have something we can do about that. We are going to be installing some premium tyres when it comes to these being refurbished. And just like that, it's 2 days later. I've had the call to say the wheels are ready, so let's get inside and let's see how they look. Now then, all ready and waiting, and guys, how good do these wheels look? Absolutely perfect. New centre caps as well, of course. And wrapped in some Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tyres. Probably the best tyres that you can get for these wheels. Okay, let's get them loaded in the car. Right, let's get these wheels home and get them back on the car. I cannot wait. What do we think? Too much camber? Let's get these wheels installed so we can see what they look like on the car. I know I say this a lot, but these wheels have transformed the car. They kind of make the car look a bit dirty now, and it's literally just been cleaned yesterday. They look like brand new wheels, and these are, I think, from 2008, so best part of 15 years old. Looks so good. And just to know that we have some Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tyres on, which are definitely not cheap, but they certainly are the best. This car should drive so much better now, should have so much more confidence when really getting on it. You definitely don't want to skimp out on tyres, certainly not when you have a 6-litre V12 producing 440 brake horsepower. Honestly though, I could just look at these wheels all day. You're wondering which tyre sizes I went for, if I went for standard sizes. I did not. I went for 10mm wider at the front and 10mm wider at the rear. So we have 255 40 20 at the front and 285 35 20 at the rear. And I think they look so much better with that 10mm of wider tread. I think with the standard 245 on the front, you was offered no protection. It just looked a bit strange. It looked like the tyres was too stretched. I really didn't like it, so I think 255 looks a whole lot better. And what do we think about the fitment? Do we now need spacers? I don't know. I don't think that's too bad, to be honest. We definitely could squeeze a 10 or 15mm spacer in there, but I think it looks great as it is, to be honest. We certainly do, however, need some locking wheel bolts, because we're still running the standard BMW ones. Sorted. Well, there we go then. Alloy wheels fully refurbished and a fresh set of Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tyres to go on the 760 Ally as well. And I think you can agree they look so much better now. You know, you guys saw them before. They were very badly scuffed and corroded, and they honestly look like brand new wheels now. And I cannot wait to take that car for a drive. I think it's going to drive so much better. The fact that we have, you know, premium tyres on there now, like I said, pretty much the best tyres that you can get for these wheels. And you know, the fact that the wheels are actually balanced properly now as well. That's something that Alloy Refresh do as part of the job. They balance your wheels for free. I think before I think the wheels were definitely in need of a wheel balance, because there was definitely a shake around 60 miles an hour or so. So yeah, I think that is going to make a good improvement as well. And yeah, guys, let me know your thoughts. Would you have went with the factory silver colour for these wheels, or would you have gone maybe, you know, something a little bit darker like a gunmetal grey or even black? Personally, I'm not a massive fan of, you know, getting black wheels. You kind of lose the detail, especially when there's, you know, when it's a wheel with a lot of detail like these ones are. And me personally as well, I like to stick to OEM. I think if you have a nice looking OEM wheel, just get it an OEM colour. It doesn't need to, you know, you don't need to go crazy. But yeah, still I am looking forward to reading your thoughts, and let me know what you think down below. Also as well, do you go for premium tyres, or do you stick more on the budget end of things? Let me know. Am I crazy for spending £900 just on a set of tyres? I personally think they are needed on that car, but yeah, again, I'm looking forward to hearing your thoughts. Like I said, again, please do check out Alloy Refresh, guys. There will be all of their links down in the description box below. I think I travel like an hour and a half there and an hour and a half back, but I will always travel now, because I know these guys do a proper and thorough job. If they don't do a good job, then they'll just redo the whole process again. So yeah, these guys I can trust, and to be honest, they are very, very well priced. I don't think you're going to see a massive difference in price between these guys doing the job properly and, you know, taking it to somewhere where they're more than likely going to leave the tires on the rims and they'll just sand it down and then just spray it with a spray can. I really don't think there's going to be a massive difference in price. You need to get the job done properly if you want your wheels to stay looking fresh for years to come. The wheels on my now dad's BMW 5 Series, they got done I think 2 or 3 years ago now, and they still look brand new. So yeah, if you do want them to last, you need to get your wheels dipped in acid to strip everything off them. The corrosion needs removing. You then need to get them refinished. They then need to be powder coated, lacquered, and all the rest of it. So yeah, just pay that tiny bit more, get the job done properly, and in my opinion, get it done at Alloy Refresh. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed this video. Anyway, please give it a like, leave a comment down below, subscribe if you have not already done so, and I will see you all in the next one. Peace!